then go back to your MT5 account, then click on the plus sign at the top here. You click on the plus sign at the top here, you click on it, then you click on this side where you have to search, then you put the broker name. You see it has come MT5 trial. So it doesn't select, you see mine has selected XNES MT5 Rule 2 because that's the account I just logged in. I logged in a couple of hours ago, so that's the latest account, the latest server that the broker has in mind. So you click here and you select MT5 trial, MT5 trial, XNES MT5 trial. Okay, let me check it again. Yeah, XNES MT5 trial. Okay, here it is. So when you select it, then you go back, you copy the login, then you come and paste it over here at the login side. You paste it, then you input your password, the password that you created whilst creating the account, not when creating your SNS account, but when creating the MT5 account or your trading account. So after you've inputted that password, then click on login. So if you didn't do everything right, this is how it will come, because I didn't input all the details correctly. So this is how it will come. So you have to try it again. So let's select, since you have SNS here, let's just select SNS, then you select from the drop down MT5 trial. Okay, SNS MT5 trial, then I put it here. I've already copied it, so let's paste it, then our password. Okay, so well, since I'm not getting something right, so let's try it again. Okay, it has come. No, that's not it. Okay, so let's input the pass. Let's go over all the process again. So you first click here, you click on you select the XNES MT5 trial. XNES MT5 trial, then put your login here, then input your password here, then click on login. Wow, it's still not coming. Let's try it one more time. Okay, it has finally come. So when you come here, the quote side is where your pairs will be. So any trade you want to enter, if the pair is not here, like let's say, let me see, like let's say I want to trade GBP USD right now. I don't have GBP USD over here, so I'll first click on here, then I'll delete everything, then I'll add GBP USD. If you also want to add Euro USD, just clear it, Euro USD, you click on it, it will be added. You want to add USD card, you click on it, it will be added. You want to add BTC USD, you click on it, it will be added. So any pair you want to add to your watch list, you just first click on the plus sign at the top here. When you click on it, you type the pair you want and it will be added to your watch list right away. You don't have to do anything else, just type the pair you want to add and it will be added. So that's how you add the pairs to your watch list. That's how you add the pair to your watch list. So this is the pairs I just added. So if you also want to add, you just do the same, follow the same process, and the pairs will be added to your watch list. The pairs will be added to your watch list. So since that is done, that's so the watch list is the same as the quote. If you click the quote side, you see what's on your watch list. So on the chart is what is this what will be displayed, your chart. The same thing we see on our trading view. So this is our chart from the daily time frame. Let's go to the so this is our chart, and this is our chart. So this side is our trade. So this is where any trade you enter, any position you enter, it will be displayed here. So let's say GBP USD right now, I click on buy. This is where it will be displayed. So if I click on buy over here, you see it to be displayed over here. So this is the current position I'm in. So on the chart here, you saw that I click on this and I enter the buy from here. This is if you want to get a fast execution, you click on here for a fast execution. And this one, after you enter, before you be allowed to set your stop loss and take profit. It's not always advisable to use here unless you just want to enter, then later on you set your TP and your SL. But if you want to set your TP and your SL right away whilst entering, you come here, you click on the quote, you select the symbol you want to enter, you want to trade on, then you click on new order. When you click on the new order, then you put your stop loss and your take profit. So let's say our current market price is 1.37421. I want my stop loss to be 100 pips, so I'll do 1.276,421, and my take profit will be 1000 pips. So let's say my take profit is 300 pips, so 1.40423. So if you don't understand how I got that, just calculate it and let's see how many pips and stop loss, how many take profit and stop loss pips is that. So this is how you also enter your TP and SL, then you click on buy and boom, it has come. When you check here, you see exactly here's my take profit and that's my stop loss. So that's it. In the next video, this video is becoming long, so in the next video I'll talk about the rest.